Hello? 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 Hello, Navita, can you hear me?
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine and cold.
You're fine and what?
Cold.
Cold. Oh, it's still cold over there.
The weather here is rainy.
Oh, the weather is really cold over there.
Yes.
Yes, okay. All right. Sorry to hear that. Okay, Zuka is here. Zuka, how are you? Zuka. Hmm. Zuka, can you hear me? Hello? All right, I'm going to share my screen, okay? So we can start. Can you see my screen? Navita, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay. So we have here flyer tip, okay? So in reading and writing part 1, most of the answers are singular, but some might be plural or uncountable, okay? So the possible answers are written in the correct form. So make sure you include any a and the, right? Articles and not change the answers in any way, okay? Where are the others? Okay, Zuka, can you hear me now?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, hello. How are you?
I'm Bruce.
Yeah, good. That's good. All right. So let's do this. Let's move on here, okay? So look and read. Okay, look and read. So choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay? So we have here number 1, businessman. Can you read this one? The example, Zuka? Can you read the example? Zuka, can you read the example?
When you are only you can find in all kinds of
Now,
information.
businessman, Zuka, businessman and businesswomen,
Businessmen men's and business women
women,
go women go to this when they go to this place to work and have meeting.
okay. And okay, the answer is
And okay.
an office. One more time, an office.
An office.
Okay, very good. An office. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Number 1. Nuvita. Nuvita, can you answer number 1?
Number one, when you are on live,
you can find all kinds of information on there.
What's the answer?
My answer
Hello,
is
Alex.
websites. Website.
Website. Let's check. Websites. Very good. You're doing great, right, Navita?
Right.
Okay, number 2. Can you answer number 2, Alex?
This person can fix a tooth that has a hole in it. A dentist.
Dentist.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's check. Okay. Okay, let's check your answer. Dentist. Very good. A dentist. This person can fix a tooth that has a hole in it. All right. That's a dentist, right? Okay, very good, my dear. Now let's move on to the next one. Number 3. Can you answer number 3? Zuka, number 3. I want you to answer number 3.
Battery is you resist this very contrast in the rocks. You must see pass inside it. Um,
Okay, what's the answer? If you visit this very dark place, my place is not dark, it's colorful, right? Okay. So if you visit this very dark place in the rocks, you might see bats inside it. What's the answer?
hmm,
What do you think is the answer?
Me.
You okay, okay, Nobita. All right. What's the answer?
A cave.
A cave? Let's check if it's a cave, okay? A cave! Very good, Navita. You're doing great. Come on, let's have high five, Navita. Good job. Okay. All right.
oh my.
So, good job. Elsa. Hello, Elsa. How are you? Elsa. Elsa. Hi, Elsa. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. How are you? How are you? Yes? Are
I'm
you
good.
good? Yes, you're good. Of course, you're good. Okay. So, can you answer number, where are we? Number 4?
You might feel frightened in this loud, wet and windy kind of weather.
Weather?
Um, um,
What's the answer? You might feel frightened. Can you say frightened? Frightened.
frightened,
Yeah, very good.
frightened.
Frightened. You might frighten, you might feel frightened in this loud, wet, and windy kind of weather.
Mm,
Windy kind of weather. Can you say weather?
Um, uh, a storm.
Okay, let's check what's the answer, okay? A storm. Elsa, the answer is a storm. Okay? Okay? Yes, Elsa. Okay, number 5. Can you answer number 5, Zuka? Zuka, are you there? Zuka? Are you there, Zuka? Zuka, are you there? Zuka. Hello? Okay. Anyone? Why did you turn off all your camera? Can you turn on your camera? Turn on all your camera. Why are you turning off? Zuka, can you turn on your camera? Elsa, Nuvita, can you turn on your camera? Hello? Zuka, Elsa? Zuka? Zuka? Okay. Let's answer number 5. Zuka, are you there? Hello? Okay. Now, Alex, I want you to answer number 5.
You made cities person sing or play an instrument on TV.
What's the answer? You might see this person sing or play an instrument on TV.
A pop star.
Pop star. Let's check. A pop star. Very good, Alex. You're doing great. Okay. Number 6, I want you to answer Zuka. Zuka. Number 6, Zuka.
Yes.
Yeah, answer number 6.
In this kind of weather, it's very difficult to see pests
Mhm.
that are far away apart.
Mm. Okay. Only plants. Sorry. In this kind of weather, a fog. Yes, a fog. So in this kind of weather, it's difficult to see places that are far away. Can you say difficult? Difficult. Zuka? Okay.
This is cold.
Difficult. Very good. Weather. Weather. Good job.
Weather.
Okay, now your answer is fog. Okay, let's check. Sorry, that's fog, not frog. Let's erase the R. That's not frog, it's fog. Okay? That's fog, not frog. Okay, let's erase the R. Okay, that's fog. Okay, now let's move on to number 8. Can you answer number 8, Novita? Novita? Where is Novita? Elsa, can you answer number 7? Elsa? 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 Elsa?
Only plant that don't need lots of water can grow in the hot, dry place.
What's the answer?
Desert.
Dessert. Okay, let's check. Oh, very good. The dessert. Dessert. Very good. You're doing great. Come on, let's have high five. High five, Elsa. Good job. Okay. So number 8, Novita, I want you to answer number 8. Number 8, Novita.
Number 8.
Yeah.
You look at words and speech on this computer when you are staring is a screen.
What's the answer?
Screen.
Screen. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah, a screen. Very good, Novita. You're doing great. Number 10. Can you answer number 10, Zuka? Zuka.
Look
Zuka.
up when you are outside in the day days or at night and you will always see this.
Okay. Look up when you are outside in the day or at night. And you will always see this. What's this? What's the answer?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
What's the answer? Sky.
Cars.
Can you say the sky?
Hi.
Okay, the sky. All right, let's check. The sky. Very good, Zuka. Come on, let's have high five, Zuka. High five. Can we do high five? Very good. Number 10, I want you to answer number 10, Alex. Alex, can you hear me, Alex?
The cat moves up and down in the wind. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
a wave.
Let's check. The wave. Very good. Can you say wave? Wave. No, Alex, can you say wave?
Wave.
Okay, very good. Wind. Wind.
Wind.
Okay, very good. That's good. You're doing great all. Okay, let's move on here. Okay, now here, let's read, right? And let's read the incomplete, what? Incomplete email, right? And answer some questions. Add information to Mr. Wild's business email. You choose, okay? So, I want you to read the example, Zuka. Can you read here? Thank you. Thanks for. Can you read? Zuka, I want you to read the example. Zuka, are you there? I want you to read the example. Good morning, Dan.
Good morning. Thanks
Thanks
for your
for your.
message.
Actually,
Thanks for you. Actually, I was Ghost and against meeting as nice 1930 and after that today some informal inter inter inf- information on about our
okay. Can you read this one? Actually,
action.
actually.
Actually,
Very good. Engineers.
engineer,
Very good. What else? Okay, that's good. Now, the answer here is meeting. I want you to answer number 1. Novita, can you answer number 1, please?
At night, half past
Number 1.
9,
To
and
the
after that,
website.
I
Mhm.
I need after that I need to add some important information about
Mhm. Okay. Let's check what's the answer, okay? Ito doon. Okay, so the answer is, what would be the answer? Oh, sorry. Okay, so number 1, what's the answer? What do you think is the answer number 1? Number 1, what do you think is the answer?
I don't know.
You don't know? You don't know what's the answer? Navita?
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Alex? Can you answer? Hmm? Hello, everyone. Can you answer? Hello, everyone. I want you to answer. Can you guess the answer? Hello, everyone. Can you guess the answer? Hello? Okay, let's have
Answer.
Alex. Can you answer number 1? Okay, the answer for number 1 is racing bikes. Okay? Number 1, the answer is racing bike. I'm going to write it here. Racing. Sorry. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Number 1, the answer is I can't write. Racing bikes. Can you read the Vita? I want you to read the answer.
Racing bike.
Oh, sorry for the spelling. It should be A. Okay, racing bikes. Okay, that's the answer for number 1. Number 2. Yes, racing bikes to the website. But I can meet you at. What do you think is the answer, Elsa? But I can meet you at. Okay, the answer here is 11:30. Can you read the answer? Navita, I want you to read the answer. 11:30. Number 3, what?
11:30.
Yeah, what would be the answer number 3? Can you guess? Is it okay with you come to my Navita? Alex, what would be the answer? Come to my. The answer is new office. Okay. Can you read this one? Alex, I want you to read this one and answer number 4. Alex, can you hear me, Alex? Alex,
To hear about your trip to the to the to the uh
to the
to the
wheels factory.
uh
Wheels factory.
wheel factory.
Okay. All right. Elsa, I want you to read this one and answer number 5. I can't hear you, Elsa.
I also want to show you the photos of the of the
The answer is carton. Carton.
carton.
Carton. Okay.
Carton
That where
that
Squirrel go into bird in
In
the
the, let's answer number 6.
in the
Magazine. Magazine.
magazine. In the magazine.
Next
Next
month.
one.
Okay. So number 7, I want you to answer number 7. Zuka. Number 7, please bring the
Please please bring the
please bring the DVDs.
DVD.
DVDs. Okay. To our meeting. I want to look at those two. Number 8, I want you to answer number 8. Novita. 8, 9, and 10. Novita. 8, 9,
have
and
got
10.
to collect some.
Okay, what's the answer? I've got to collect some
Lunch.
pizza.
Pizza.
Ticket in the lunch. Yeah, continue. 9 and 10. Answer 9 and 10.
Cancho. I'm sorry. Can join you for lunch. Enjoy for. Enjoy your lunch.
I'm sorry. The answer for wait, hold on. The answer for number 8 is different. Here, the answer enjoy your pizza. The answer here for number 8 is, I'm sorry, I got the wrong answer. Number 8, the correct answer is, sorry, cinema. Cinema. This is cinema. Okay? And number 10, the answer is, what do you think is the answer, Novita, number 10? I had problems with my
I
car
had problems with my car
this
engine this
morning.
morning,
Yeah.
so had to get
Uh,
a trip
bus.
into a
Bus. Is
trip.
it bus? I had to get a taxi. Okay, taxi into town. So number 10, number 11, I think it's going to, what do you think is the answer? I think it's going to, Novita, what do you think?
It's going to
Rain, snow? It's going to rain, it's going to snow? What? What do you think? It's going
I don't
to
know.
snow. I already give the choices. You're just going to choose. What's the answer? Right? Snow. Number 12. I live in Stone Street, which is very near to the big market, supermarket, small market, mall. What's the answer? Elsa. Big market, supermarket, mall, public market. What's the answer? Elsa. Choose the answer. Elsa, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay, you can choose the answer. I already give you a choices. Supermarket? Is it supermarket?
Supermarket.
Mm. Okay. The answer
The
is big market.
an-
Big supermarket. Big
big
super.
supermarket.
Yes, I already give you the choices. You should choose, okay? All right.
I got to hurry to the meeting now.
Mm. See you later, Richard Wild. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Next question. Who is Mr. Wild sending this email to? Hmm? Novita. Novita, I want you to answer. Who is Mr. Wild sending this email to? This email is to Mr. What? Let's start with letter D.
Mr. Wise,
Huh? Mr. Dan.
Mr.
Yeah, you're going to send the letter to Mr. Dan, right? Dan. Okay? Novita? Okay. Okay, let's move on. Okay, is Mr. Wild having a busy day? Alex, yes or no? You're just going to answer yes or no. Which is the answer? Alex. Alex.
Yes.
What's the answer? Is Mr. Wild having a busy day?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very
Yes.
good. Can we wait, hold on. Can he have lunch with Dan today? Yes or no? Zuka. Zuka. Are you busy, Zuka? Answer this one. Can he have lunch with Dan today? Yes or no? You're just going to answer yes or no.
No.
No, okay, very good. Okay, let's
Yes.
move on to the next one. Where is his house, Novita?
Huh?
Where is his house?
His house
It,
is in Stone Street.
very good. In Stone Street, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one, right? We finished this one. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so we have here tips. Okay. So in the story, in reading and writing part 7 and speaking part 3, you can make your stories more interesting and probably get better marks. So if you add adjectives to show how the people feel and reasons why they might be doing these things, you can also include things that the people might be saying. Okay? Shorter, simpler stories are of course acceptable. But you should always be ambitious and show what you know. Okay? Alright? Are we clear? Okay, so look at these pictures and answer the question. You're going to answer the question, okay? Look at the picture. You're going to answer the question. It's winter. What's on the ground? It's winter. What's in the ground? What do you think it's on the ground? Hello? Can you answer? Wait, hold on. Zuka. Zuka. It's winter. What's in the ground? Hello? Zuka. Zuka.
Yes.
It's winter. What's in the ground? What do you think? What's the answer? Look at the picture.
No.
No. It's winter. What's in the ground? It's ice. What's in the ground
No.
is ice. Snow. Yes, snow. Very good. Now, what can you see? What can you see in the street, Nuvita? What can you see in the street?
People shop.
Mm-hmm.
Animal.
Mm-hmm.
Place. But school bag.
Mm-hmm.
Clothes.
Mm-hmm. What else? So, we see shops, people, cars, a bus stop, right? And a traffic light. So that's what we see on the street. Okay, this next one, number 3. What clothes are okay? What clothes are people wearing? Alex, what clothes are people wearing? Are the people wearing? Elsa, can you answer number 3? Elsa,
Mm, uh, scarf.
what
They are
else?
wearing scarf.
Scarves. What else? There's a lot, right? You can see on the picture.
Girl, he, and
Boots. They're wearing boots, right? Because it's snow. What do you usually wear when it's snowing or it's cold?
coat.
What do you wear? Do you wear whole dress? Do you wear sleeper when it's cold outside? No, right? What do you wear?
They were outside.
Okay, they wear outside. Okay. What do you wear? What do you wear, Elsa? When it's cold and you are outside. Yeah. You wear coat, right? You wear coat. What else? Novita, can you help Elsa?
Number 3.
Yeah.
They wear scarf.
Yeah, what else?
Uh, sweater.
Yeah, sweater or
Shoe.
coat. Mm-hmm.
Shoe. Coat.
Boots. Boots.
Boot and coat.
Yeah, coat. And on your head, what do you wear on your head?
Hat.
Hat. Very good, hat. Okay. And also you wear gloves on your hands, right? Gloves because it's very cold. Okay, you should wear gloves, right? Next question. There is A businessman. What's he wearing? What's he carrying? Zuka. Zuka. Zuka.
Yes.
Answer number 4. Zuka. Number 4, answer. There's a businessman. Where is the businessman? Can you encircle? Can you encircle the businessman? Can you encircle the businessman? Okay. All right. So that's the businessman, right? Now, what is he carrying? Look at the picture. What is he carrying?
Hmm.
If you're a businessman, you're going to carry. What are those? Novita, I want you to have Zuka.
He is carrying information for his meeting.
Yes. Yeah, that's right. So he is carrying some important papers. And what else? A laptop, a phone. Okay? Those are the things that the businessman should carry. Right? Everyone? Okay, let's move on to number 5. What can you see in the office? Alex. Alex, you're turning off your camera. Turn on your camera. Alex, turn on your camera. Alex. Alex. Alex, are you there? Alex. Alex, are you there? Okay, Navita, can you answer number 5?
Uh, I can see mouse, computer,
Yes, that's good.
or uh, information,
Mm-hmm.
chair,
The chairs, very good.
desk,
Desk, computers, and you can see people, right? In the office.
um,
And
people,
yeah,
window,
yes, window.
lights,
Yes, that's
um,
good.
and cupboard.
That's good. Very good. You're doing great. Very good, Navita. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next one. So here, ito doon. So it was a very cold day, right? Now Mr. Bell fell over the street. Okay. Now rewrite story of the first picture using these words. You're going to rewrite a story using this word. Winter, ice, street, businessman, fell over, outside office. Now, Novita, I want you to rewrite the story. And then you're going to tell, sorry, you're going to tell, right? Or you're going to rewrite the story of the first picture using this word, okay? Winter, ice, street, businessman fell over, and office, out, outside office, okay? Do you understand? Novita, you're going to tell the story or rewrite the story, okay? And then you're going to use the words below. Can you do that?
No.
Hmm? Novita? Novita!
Uh,
Yeah, you're going to. Can you tell me the story about the picture? And then you're going to use winter, ice, street, businessman fell over outside the office. Okay? How will you tell? Okay, I will start one sentence, okay? And then you are going to continue. Okay.
it
It's
is
winter
it is
season.
winter. The street is
Mhm.
has ice. Uh, the businessman is falling over.
Fell over.
Uh,
Okay, so it was winter and there's a lot of ice on the street, and the businessman
um,
fell over. Fell
the
over outside.
children man is running outside the
Yeah,
office.
office. Okay, running outside the office.
Uh, the boss is working
Mm-hmm.
uh, in the uh, in the computer into the office. In the office, there is chair, boss,
Chair.
and
Very good.
information, um,
Mm-hmm.
desk, cupboard, and window,
Mm-hmm.
and lights.
Very good, Nipita. You're doing great. Okay, yeah. So it's winter, and then the businessman is really um it's really pity, right? So the businessman fell over. That's so sad, right? Okay. Now let's move on here. Okay, which word might we need here? How about you, Elsa? What do you think? Which word uh we need here? Children, come back, pick up, pieces of paper. Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
Children, children, let me spell pick up paper, piece of paper.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we have here children. The children
Children have Mr. Bell
children are picking up pieces of paper.
paper.
Yes, the children are picking up pieces of paper. Right, Navita? You seems really busy there. Can you help us? Can you help Elsa? Elsa said the children are picking up pieces of paper. What else?
The children uh come back and pick up the pieces of paper, and the man is helping Mr. Bell.
Yes, that's right. Right. So the children's uh yeah, the children help Mr. Bell, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. And then the man, what did the man do? The man also helped Mr. Bell to stand up, right? Right, Novita? Yes? Okay, let's move on here. Okay, now look at the third picture. What happened to the third picture? What do you think? Who's help who's helped Mr. Bell as well? Novita, can you answer this one? The the bird? Look at the
Uh,
bird. The bird is carrying or the bird pick up the glasses, right? Of Mr.
yes.
Bell. Yes. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. What did the bird give Mr. Bell?
Glasses.
The glasses. Very good. And how did Mr. Bell feel at the end of the story? Is he happy? Is he sad?
Yes,
Huh?
he is happy.
He is happy because there's a lot of people helping him, right? The children and the man, right?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay, now was the bird kind or horrible to Mr. Bell? Is the bird kind or horrible? Can you answer, Elsa? Horrible or kind? Hello, everyone. I guess we don't have enough time, right? Hello? Can you hear me?
No?
Do you
Yes.
have any question? Navita, Elsa, Zuka, Alex, do you have any
Uh,
question? Alex, do
no.
you have any question? No? Okay. So since you don't have any question, let me ask you, Navita, what have you learned tonight?
I learned um English story with vocabulary
Mm-hmm.
and new sentences.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. How about you, Elsa? What we've learned tonight? We learn about we learn about
Hmm.
what we've learned tonight. We learn about
Learn about
the story. We learn about some vocabulary, right? Right,
uh,
Elsa? Okay, we don't have enough time, right? So thank you so much for having you in my class. And yeah, you're doing good. Just keep up the good work. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
bye.